Pitter patter, pitter patter. It is raining. But Mom says that rainwater is dirty.
We can make the rainwater clean.
Really?
Let's make a rainwater filter. Tap and see what we need. Plastic bottle. A pair of scissors. Gauze and rope. Materials kit. Rainwater. Let's start. Step 1. Attach the gauze to the mouth of the plastic bottle. It's done. Step 2. Cut the plastic bottle in the middle. Step 3. Turn the mouth of the bottle up. Look, we've made a funnel. At last. Put all these items inside. Cotton. Corn kernels. Charcoal bits. Small stones. The rainwater filter has been finished. Now, let's try it out. Pour the rainwater into the filter. Watch and see if the rainwater becomes cleaner.
Wow! The rainwater filter is fantastic! I want to taste the purified water!
We can't drink the rainwater, but we can use it to mop the floor, water flowers, and flush the toilet.